Now this illustration deals with electrical service areas. Is it inside or outside the building? Mainly is what we're looking at here. In accordance with NEC now, 210.63, B as in boy, 1. Now notice the note 1 right below the illustration there. Receptacle outlets should be installed within the same room of the electrical equipment as required in 210.63. Note 2 at the top says this receptacle outlet is not required to be installed in 1 and 2 family dwellings in accordance with 210.63b. Now, notice we have distribution power, the left of the illustration at the cross arms on the pole. It's National Electrical Safety Code, Chapter 2, Rule 235 that deals with this. The utility pole itself now is the National Electrical Safety Code, Chapter 2, Rule 243. The distribution transformer is regulated in the National Electrical Safety Code, Chapter 2, Rule 15. The service drop conductors there is 120, 240, single phase. Notice that that receptacle, if it was outside, would have to be GFCI protected but not required for the service. But if the service is inside the building, then that receptacle would be required where the service location is within 25 foot as listed in 210.63b1, and it would be GFCI protected outside by 210.8a, and that's where you would review that section. And along with 406, I believe it's .3a, right in that vicinity, that you would pick up the GFCI protection of receptacles also. So figure 6-58, completing this chapter 6 with illustrations, deals with electrical service areas when they're inside the building mainly, where the receptacle would be required in accordance with NEC 210.63b1, and 1 and 2 family dwellings are exempt from this rule.